Aim for clear acoustic targets when planning interior partitions so privacy goals are realistic and buildable. For interior wall sound rating thumb rules, start by selecting target sound transmission class ratings based on function and proximity. Aim for sound transmission class of 50 plus between master suites and common areas to ensure near complete speech privacy and lower intrusive noise. This typically requires assemblies beyond single stud construction. Bedrooms and guest rooms can target sound transmission class of 40 to 45, which balances cost and performance for normal residential use. To reach these levels, consider double stud walls or single stud walls with resilient channels combined with dense insulation and high-density drywall on at least one side. Place insulation tightly to avoid gaps and keep cavities continuous from top plate to bottom plate. Use 2 layers of 5/8-inch high-density drywall with staggered joints and acoustic sealant at all perimeter junctions to control flanking through seams and openings. When planning, document penetrations for electrical boxes and HVAC, then use putty pads, gaskets, and backer rod plus sealant to maintain the assembly rating during construction. Common mistakes start with underestimating flanking paths where noise goes around the partition through ceilings, floors, and ductwork. Check and seal continuous surfaces, and consider staggered framing or resilient connections for adjacent assemblies. Another frequent issue is poor installation of insulation, leaving voids, which drastically reduces performance. Insist on full cavity fill and verify at rough inspection. A third problem is using only single thin drywall, which limits achievable rating. Upgrade to high-density drywall, add a second layer, and treat joints and edges with acoustic sealant to get predictable results. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners set realistic acoustic goals and find local contractors who can build to specific sound transmission class targets. Our site also helps contractors find paid work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where builders and owners exchange practical tips and real-world details.